I'm reading a book ni Brené Brown, and she called her 2007 breakdown, and her therapist called it spiritual awakening. Most of us, we do our lives based on where we were kind of broken. So for example, when you were young, if naranasan mo walang-wala talaga sa pera, you kind of want to have money. It's not right or wrong, it's just the way it is. Pag ikaw yung isang taong okay naman yung pera sa'yo, hindi mo siya ganun kinailangan, hindi mo siya ganun makikita yung kagandahan na ginagawa ng pera para sa'yo. However, if you were in an environment wherein ang na-test sa'yo is your sensitivity, then that is where you can actually excel at, because naranasan mo yung experience na walang nakikinig sa'yo, or perhaps ayaw mo na masyadong madaming away na ginagawa mo rin yun para sa iba, whether you are mediating between two persons or you are mediating something that is warring inside of them. So what happened sa'yo na tingin mo talo ka?